Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
Decent Machinery's explosion-proof centrifugal fan blowers are designed with robust materials and motors from leading brands to ensure safe operation in full storage facilities. Performance curves and in pressure and airflow characteristics are meticulously analyzed to meet strict safety standards. Dynamic balancing minimizes vibration-related failures. Decent Machineries provides solutions, exceptional after-sales support, and on-site technical assistance to ensure the highest safety standards are met in hazardous environments.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.